You're watching This Morning, and now news about the latest G20 meet. Gujarat hosted the G20 Health Ministers meeting yesterday. The focus of the G20 Health Ministers meet, being held between the 17th to the 19th of August, is on the three key priorities of the G20 health track, which includes health emergencies prevention, preparedness and response, with a focus on antimicrobial resistance and One Health framework. Here's more in our next report. Take a look.
The G20 Health Ministers meeting was officially inaugurated on Friday. The conference witnessed the participation from 19 of the G20 member countries, 10 invited states and 22 international organizations. The meeting focused on three priority areas: health emergencies prevention, preparedness and response, with a focus on antimicrobial resistance and One Health framework. Prime Minister Narendra Modi underscored that the COVID-19 pandemic has served as a reminder to nations that their decision-making should prioritize public health.
The COVID-19 pandemic has reminded us that health should be at the center of our decisions. It also showed us the value of international cooperation, whether in medicine and vaccine deliveries or bringing our people back home.
The US Department of Health and Human Services Secretary hailed India's role in fighting COVID-19 pandemic.
What I think COVID has taught us is that we have to work together and we have to make sure that we don't exclude, because just because we come up with a vaccine doesn't mean we'll be safe if no one else gets it. And that's the value of this G20 meeting, and that's where we hope to end up next year come May, when we gather again as the World Health Assembly, is to hopefully come together to reach consensus on an accord that lets us deal with pandemics moving into the future.
Under India's G20 presidency, the Global Initiative on Digital Health will also be launched today, which aims to consolidate efforts in the digital healthcare landscape in the world today. Bureau Report, Republic TV.